Alright, the brows are primed, and I'm going to be taking that nice brown from the Sedona Lace palette, and I'm going to be taking it and applying it to the crease, blending it out very, very well. So now I'm going to be taking the white base from LA Colors. This is one of their dupes for the NYX Jumbo Base Dupes in Milk. I love this base because I use it just like I would normally use a concealer, but I feel like the eyeshadows stand out a lot longer whenever I use, and also more pigmented when I use the LA Colors base in Milk. Take that beautiful burnt orange, and I'm going to apply it right to the crease above the white base. Next, I'm going to be taking the white, and I'm going to apply it right in the inner corner. Then I'm going to be taking that pretty turquoise blue, and I'm going to be applying it right next to the white. Taking that vanilla shade from the Sedona Lace palette, and I am also going to use it as our brow bone highlight. Taking the Colorworks purple eyeliner, and I am going to apply the Colorworks Shop eyeliner to the lower lash line.